Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you something that I just finished making. So, it is a duct tape portfolio, and it's all blue and white polka dot, not completely lined up, and there's no folder lines at all. When you open it up, there's the checkbook slash day planner holder, or you could just use it as 2 pockets, and there's that. And that is where the pen holder attaches to, and then there's the other one, no sticky. Then you flip it over, and there's the pen holder, and there's only one. Yep. And then behind that, there is a pocket, and it's all white on the inside. Then you go to the detachable wallet, and it has Velcro, and you just detach it like that, and here it is. Oops. So there's 4 good pockets, a vertical pocket, an ID, and another vertical pocket. And this is and how I can fit 4 good pockets and a vertical pocket is just that it's 3.5 inches tall, so that's why. And then in the middle there's a coin pouch. It's like a different type of double Ziploc. It's a different brand, but it's still pretty good. And you just attach it like this, and then you just flip it over like that, and there's a mini composition notebook holder. If I don't have one right now, I have to get some, so I'm just going to use this little book to like a demonstration. So you just flip it over like this, and you put it in like that, and you just scoot it in, and it'll hold it. It'll just move down or up, but it won't move past the end of the portfolio part, the outside. So yeah, it's really nice, and it won't fall. Like, it will fall if you tilt it all the way like this, but it won't fall the other way. So yeah, this is the portfolio I made. If you want to buy it, contact me, and it'll be only $8 since it's not the best. So yeah, thanks for watching.